My friend, Dane. Big dog, not pup, big dog. Boomer dog. Boomer Pinot. Oh, yeah. Is your Instagram name? Mr. Boomer Pinot.
Creek, are you mic'd up?
Yeah.
Hey, how do you feel about those underwear you've been wearing? Those girls.
The lacy red, the lacy ones with purple hearts.
Yeah, those ones are giving me super wedgies.
They're my favorites. Why are they giving you wedgies?
No, because I've been wearing them too.
You stole them. I had 2 pairs. I only have 1 now. You stole them. You came around when I was home and you stole them. I like them.
Yeah.
Makes my butt pop. Let's go, mate. Let's go, brother. Get that ball. John, be aggressive. Everyone get in there and be aggressive. Play for your teammate tonight. Have some fun along the way. Let's win this game. Come on, boys, together. 1, 2, 3. You're trying to do something silly here, I know.
No, you were like, I'm just trying to tell him something.
I thought you were trying to sneak. I know you guys trying to do something silly.
Go. Down.
Hey! It's on the arm! Hey! Lift up a little more in that corner and I'll hit you. But tell me I miss you. Step out! As soon as it comes, and you're on that big setting it, get out of there quick. Yeah, killer! Yeah, boy! Hey! Oh! Please watch that arm. Yeah, boy! Woo! Come up high. Let's hit this guy, the flash. Run straight. Don't go this and then run. Just run straight. Hey! Hey! No way.
The trick is back.
Go, go, go! Hey, look at me. We're okay. You're a star, mate. You just made your easiest shot in the world, you know what I mean? So you feel great right now. Feel great right now for us, okay? Show me what you do in this last 5 minutes, all right? Let's go.